ladies, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted in a long time. Sorry about that. I'm back now, and today I'm back with a little haul that I did. I want to show you little things that I found and tell you about little my next video that I'm going to be making. So stay tuned and let's get started. Alrighty, the first thing I want to talk about is this 6 by 9 inches clasp envelopes. I did buy those at Family Dollar, which is where I usually buy them. They're only $1 for a pack of 8. So I decided that my mail art is not on point. So the next project that I'm going to be doing, which is the next video to come to my channel, is I'm going to be decorating those, pre-decorating those for and have it ready to be shipped. So whenever I do swaps or I sell my products, I can just put whatever I'm sending into those envelopes, they're ready to go, and ship it out. Alrighty, let's move on. Next item I want to talk about and show you is this beautiful set of 50 vintage postcards, all from Versailles. I believe that's how you say it, I'm not sure. But they were $30, which is a little expensive, but it's 50 of them, so they're less than $1 each. Look at the discoloration of those. Look how vintage and beautiful they are. And the chair right there, and you can use them. There's my favorites are in the back. Look at this home. And then look at this one. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, the plantation. Look at that. And then just the discoloration of the back of it is so pretty. Alrighty, and last but not least, I want to talk about or share with you is this little clips and necklaces and pins that I found at a local thrift store. They were $1 each, so I bought them all, the ones that I liked. There's this one. How gorgeous that is. This one is actually made out of plastic and it's cheaply made, you can see, but it would still look really beautiful on the front of a journal. Look at this one. So pretty. This one is actually came in a set with the first and the third that you just saw, but it's wood and I don't like it, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this. Probably send it to somebody in a Happy Mail or something. It's just not my style. This one is actually really pretty. It's little lace with some vintage buttons on the front, and it's in a little clip, and it was handmade by this lady here. I tried looking her up to see if she has a if she still is doing this, but I couldn't find anything. I did not call the number, so I mean, feel free if you want to. But yeah, I was hoping that I could find more of her products because this is just gorgeous. But it's so simple and easy to make, so I think I'm just gonna try something like that, inspired by Kathleen. Next thing I have is this 2 little bird houses. Those are so adorable. Look at those. Then I have this little wagon. The wheels actually move, which is so cool. Okay. And then I have this little brooch. It has like rocks on the top, which is pretty cool. And the last one, which is pretty interesting, I found this little flower Alice little pin. I actually found a pin before, I think it's Christine or something, and I've been collecting them, so in case somebody, his name is Alice or Christine, that orders one of my journals or anything from my website, I will include that with their shipping because it's so adorable. So I've been collecting little knickknacks with people's names on it so I can send that to them, which I think will add such a beautiful touch. Alrighty, and then the last thing that I wanted to show is this Hustle Hard journal that I found at the Dollar Tree, or Family Dollar, for $1. And look how many beautiful pink rose papers it has. You can either keep it this way or you can separate it and use those papers in your journals. I just think it's so beautiful and lovely. And look at that paper. Alrighty, that is it for today's videos. Thank you for joining me, and please stop by back at my channel and see if I posted this idea that I have to create mail art, pre-create mail art ahead of time. So join me on the next video. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.